So actually, ang very purpose ng ating pagtitipon today sa malaking itong Provincial Advisory Group is pinakamalaki ang responsibility in terms of check and balance sa ating National Police, Philippine National Police. Kayo kasi ang may authority na mag-critics. Kayo, itong grupo na ito ang pwedeng mag-usap-usap para lalong mapaganda natin yung kung ano yung peace in order na pinapatupad, pinapa-implement natin. So kung may mga lapses, may mga ginagawang kalukuhan, may ginagawang hindi na aayon doon sa mandato ng law enforcers, is itong grupo na ito ang mag-suggest through sa ating advisory group council meeting. To our distinguished guests, our newly elected officers, congratulations all members of the Provincial Advisory Group for Police Transformation and Development. Today marks another important milestone in our collective pursuit of transformation and genuine partnership between the police and the community. The establishment and renewal of our Provincial Advisory Group serve as a strong reminder that peace and progress cannot be achieved by the police organization alone. It requires the involvement, understanding, and trust of the people we serve. On behalf of the men and women of the Davao del Sur Police Provincial Office, I extend my warmest congratulations and heartfelt gratitude to our newly elected officers and members of the PAG-PTD. You are now part of our continuing journey under the Philippine National Police Peace and Security Framework, where transformation is anchored on accountability, service excellence, and good governance. The Provincial Advisory Group plays a crucial role in ensuring that our reform programs under the PNP's Patrol Plan and Transformation Roadmap remain responsive and aligned with the needs of the community. Through your insights and support, we are able to strengthen our programs for crime prevention, community partnership, and internal discipline, key components that contribute to the maintenance of peace and order in the province. For the information of everybody, meron tayong Provincial Advisory Group. Meron din ang every station. Ang every police station is nag-create din sila. Represented din lahat. May sa academe, may sa religious, may sa... itong composition na ganito. Our advocacy partners from various sectors, the academe, business, youth, government, health, women, religious, and media represent the voice and strength of the people. Your participation is proof that transformation in the Philippine National Police is not only possible but sustainable when guided by collaboration, transparency, and shared responsibility. Let me also express our appreciation to our outgoing PAG-PTD officers who for the past 10 years have given their time and wisdom to guide this office in our transformation journey. Your legacy continues to inspire us to move forward with the same passion and dedication. Actually, kailan natin nabigyan sila ng pasalamat, nabigyan namin sila ng mga token at saka yung commendation, yung outgoing na grupo. Actually, mahaba yung time nila. Aside sa yung 2 years lang talaga dapat ang mandatory because of pandemic, ang daming pinagdaanan. And then during the time of Sir Marvel as Chief PNP, parang na-inactive ang Advisory Council. As your provincial director, I assure you of my full support to this program, together with the Provincial Police Strategy and Management Unit and all our personnel. We shall work hand in hand with the PAG TPD to ensure that our goals for a peaceful, orderly, and progressive Davao del Sur are realized. To our newly inducted officers and members, may your leadership bring fresh ideas and renewed energy to our advocacy for change and reform. Let this partnership be a living example of how community and police cooperation can transform challenges into opportunities and vision into action. Once again, congratulations to our new officers. Thank you for your commitment, your trust, and your partnership. Let us continue to serve with integrity and compassion, for in unity we can build a safer and greater Davao del Sur for all. Daghang salamat ug mayong hapon kanatong tanan, dalaygon ang atong Dios.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, to further enrich our understanding of the PAG-PTD's vital role, we shall now have the orientation and presentation of the PAG-PTD